we are on our way to Isha Foundation, which is on the Hyderabad-Bangalore highway. You can see my mom right behind me. Say hi.
Hi.
And here's my dad, who's
Hi.
driving the car. So when you're coming from Bangalore side on the highway, you can take a left and there's a huge entrance which says Isha Foundation. There's even a gateway that we will show you later on to easily recognize the place. It's a nice green place for relaxing, especially on nice windy days, not too sunny. You can go and enjoy the greenery there with family. So this is the entrance to Isha Foundation, this big arch that you see. This is the gateway to Isha Foundation, quite clearly visible, and this thing says the abode of yoga. As I mentioned earlier, people come here for meditating or for yoga, which is what Baba Sadhguru promotes. And in fact, there are even buses which get you here, AC buses and stuff. You can park over here outside and then take a bus. We are at Isha Foundation near Chikbalapur. This is set up by Baba Sadhguru, where he's put a statue of Lord Shiva, his Nandi bear, as well as his Trishul. And this is a really green place. It's all open, rocky all around. We are at Chandramukhi. This is a restaurant that is right beside the Isha Foundation that we spoke about. It's newly set up and it offers food for people visiting Isha Foundation. You get different types of dosas, idlis. Apart from that, you have chaat. You also have ice creams and different juices to refresh and replenish yourself after the walk. So this restaurant lets you properly sit down in case you've come from a long drive, you can enjoy here. In fact, there's another restaurant down there and we will now take you over there and take you to what you get over there. So come. Hi, so this is the second restaurant. We have to come figure out, see what the name is. So come. I am also coming here for the first time, so exploring this place with you guys. Here, follow me. They are in fact even selling a Shiv's Murti for 1,75,000 over here. We are at Malige Mattu. The name of the restaurant is Malige Mattu. And you get ghee pongal, different kinds of juice like watermelon, muskmelon. Then you have your bisivilla bhat, capsicum bhaji, and obviously your coffee, tea, hot milk. The table. This is a quite crowded place, and one of the best things, even when we are here, we get a view of the Murti. So you don't have to specifically go in if you don't want to. You can enjoy a nice drive, come over here, eat, and then go, or you can go enjoy. But the view is all green all around, and you get to sit, eat in between nature. Hi, so we just got done eating over there. So once you come out, you have a back entrance, like exit over here, which will take you to the car parking. So the car parking is right here. They charge you 50 rupees at the entrance. And it's a huge parking space that has been given for all of the visitors, so you don't have to worry about where you're going to leave your car.